Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be making a Lego set. One character, Sammy. Okay. What you're going to need is this lava thing. This. Put the black thing in the middle. Take this piece. Put it on there. Like this. Then take this door.
Aiden? Wait, guys, and after this video, we're going to be making our movie trailer.
Yeah. Then you're going to need to set a door on the lava thing.
What's up, YouTube?
Then you're going to need this brown piece. Put it in.
Wait, Aiden, can I do the narrations for the beginning of the movie? Once upon a time, there was a hero with a little boy as his friend, or something like that.
Yeah.
Can I do the beginning narration?
Then you set that piece in the middle. Then take this blue piece. Take the middle. Place the middle onto that.
Wait a minute, who's going to be our camera person? Our secret camera person that they won't guess.
And then take this mug. Put it on the table. Then you're done with the Lego set, but we still have to make the character. Don't worry, it's coming soon. You're going to need a pumpkin head. And then you're going to need this body. Put the pumpkin head on the body. Then you're going to need these gray legs that come with that guy.
Well, after this, I'm also, after the movie trailer, I'm going to be doing a Lego build, right, Aiden?
On my tablet, because his tablet broke and still trying to get it fixed.
They're not fixing it. They're getting me a new tablet. It's probably taken a while because they're transferring all my hard work. And on the day when I got the third rarest monster on My Singing Monsters, the third rarest. The rare of that monster and the epic of that monster are more rare because, you know, they're rare and epic of that monster, right?
Then you got the character.
I gotta get Lego pieces.
I'm just going to put him in front of the table on mine. Just put his right hand out instead of that. Done. And that is today's Lego set. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.